What is up, everyone? It's another Sunday and another gala day, pero wala kaming pera. Kaya gagala lang, walang shopping. Naubos na ang pera. So gagala lang kami sa Washington DC. And if magutom, kakain. So let's go! Ayan, so we're here na sa DC and medyo nahirapan kaming maghanap ng parking kasi ang dami ng sasakyan. Siguro naka 20 ikot ang aming sasakyan bago kami nakahanap ng parking, and dito kami sa pinakailalim.
Speed to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. Chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The glass so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again.
Washington Harbor, and we're walking by the water. And if you could see yung bridge na yun, yung nagko-connect na Washington and Virginia.
She had her own holiday. I thought she was with her husband.
Pabalik na kami sa sasakyan kasi ang init maglakad. Sa bahay na kami kakain, ang daming tao. Baka may COVID. Hindi, mainit. Sobrang init and lahat ng kainan is sa labas. Ay! Sa labas yung kaya.
Well, what's the one that you... Okay, we use this one to get out.
Or maybe sa ibang lugar kami kakain. Ayan, we are heading back home. Hindi na kami kumain dito kasi ang init. Ang init maglakad, ang init mag-upo doon kasi halos lahat ng kainan is nasa labas. So, yeah, after namin maglakad, basang-basa ng pawis, and then kung kakain pa kami, you know, normally if maglakad ka tapos kung kailan ka tumigil, dun mo mararamdaman yung init at yung basa ng pawis. So, we just decided na either umuwi na lang or sa ibang lugar kumain, kaya we're driving back na. And then yeah, tingnan na lang natin kung saan kami papunta ngayon.
People driving so reckless.
Ayan, we're going to Bowie para mag-Goodwill, but it's traffic again. Kasi meron na namang accident like yesterday. Ayan, we're going back home na from Goodwill, and guess what we found there? Sealed box na cast iron skillet. Ang mahal nito. We got it for only $16. Ang saya na naman ng kitchen. May bagong bukas na sheets and we're going to check it. Bibili lang ng chips at nagpagas din kasi kami dito. Ayan, so I'm having a taste of my first Sheetz coffee. Tingnan natin kung masarap. I choose the flavor Cinnabon. Masarap. It's a cinnamon coffee.
So I thought you had
Masarap siya, lasang cinnamon kasi yung flavor, so it's cinnamon taste. Ayan, so that's it for today's video. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video ito, huwag mong kalimutang i-click ang like button, paki-subscribe na rin kung bago ka sa aking channel, at huwag mong kalimutang i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa lahat ng videos na gagawin ko. And if you have time, share mo na rin through your Facebook and other social media, and do a screenshot of it na shinare mo siya, and send the screenshot sa aking Facebook page na I am Romeo C. And at the end of this month, I'll be choosing between 3 to 5 person that I will give a certain load for your internet usage or a small amount sa GCash. See you on the next one. Bye!